The easiest way I can install a wig, I'm here for it. Too easy, too quick. Like, it's still glueless. Look at that melt. It's just sitting. Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. We are about to do a wig install. I have my hair braided back, and if I do say so myself, like, I'm getting better at this little braiding thing. Make sure to get my hair as flat as I could get it. And today we'll be installing this wig from Luvme. This is their PartingMAX Glueless Wig. Is that a new terminology? PartingMAX. So I'm excited to see what this wig looks like straight out of the package, and it's already pre-curled, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached for you straight out of the package. Literally curl. Let me know if I really don't have to be doing much. I already barely do enough as it is because I'm a lazy wig wearing type of girl. Like, I love a quick and easy install that I could take off, put on daily, and still have my edges intact. So it is what is this, 7 by 6? So that means I think the parting space goes all the way to 6 inches, or is that this way? Shall we go see? And it is 180% density. Okay, bouncy curls. Y'all, look at this lace. We might not even need a hot comb. Look how flat that is, and look how transparent this lace is. And it is definitely one of those breathable wig caps. The wefts on the inside, so air passes through, and it feels so soft and bouncy. I'm not getting any smell from it, but if you wish to, you would have to wash it and then recurl. And I'm like, who's trying to do all that work if they already did it for me, right? So we're gonna try to wear this glueless. We're gonna try not to use any spray just to see how well it melts. It has the adjustable wig band on the inside, and then it has this sticky situation going on in the back, and this is supposed to help to, you know, attach the wig to the nape of your neck, and also just to hold on like an extra anchor to the back of your head. And of course, we got the combs on the inside to help. Also, what I noticed is that, you know, a lot of times with closure wigs, you can't really go much or do much with them because they're a shorter closure. But look how deep this is. You wouldn't even need to tell anyone that this isn't a full frontal, just how deep that parting is. First things first, I need to prep my hair to install this wig. So I'll be using the edge booster, edge control. Since my hair is a ginger color, I don't want it to peek underneath my wig. So we're gonna wear this wig cap that I also got in my package. So we're gonna use this brown wig cap. So I'm not gonna do the ball cap method because I honestly don't think it's necessary with this closure. And of course, I'm a lazy girl. I ain't trying to do all of that. The easiest way I can install a wig, I'm here for it. I'm gonna adjust the band in the back just to make sure that we get a nice snug feel. And also to note, the band is sewn on to the wig, because a lot of times I be getting wigs and the bands be coming off when I'm putting them on, especially when I tighten it. The little thingamajigs that they have to hold the band always sliding off. So I'm loving how much attention to detail is put into this wig. Like, it is beautifully constructed. So I put a little tinting mousse on top of it and let it dry, and this is how it's looking, like a nice little brown tint to the lace. And then I'm gonna flip the lace backwards and then put this over my head. So now you can really flip the hair whichever side you want. You can use this side or you can use the original side. So I'm gonna go in with my hot comb just to flatten this a bit because I don't want it to be this high. So I'm just gonna take some hair wax and put it on my parting and help with the flyaways. This is what's gonna really get the hair molded. Okay, now I'm gonna cut off the excess lace. So I'm just gonna do in like a jaggedy type motion. So you don't want to cut it straight across because you don't want a perfect line. Y'all see that? Now to hide this little piece of my closure, just to get it to blend and not be so visible, I'm going to be using this root spray I found in my beauty supply store. So if you have like a root dye or anything, like you know, like people use to cover grays and stuff like that, you can use that. I'm going to use this EBIN mousse melt. Even though it says melt, your lace can still be lifted, but it's going to give the illusion like you glued down your wig, but really you didn't. So I'm going to spray that directly on there, and then I'm going to just push it back. I'm going to work fast because I don't want it to run on my makeup. So you really don't need a lot, or else if you have on makeup, it's going to start running. I'm going to use this hairband to just tie it down so it could dry in place. So while I leave that to dry, I'm just going to refresh some of the curl. And I'm going to take this wide teeth comb and just loosen it a bit. I don't want it to look too uniform. Like, look at that bounce. So I'm just going to touch up at this side. Look at that melt poo. So I'm gonna put some bronzing powder on the lace itself. Since I'm already wearing makeup, I want to make sure everything matches and everything is blended. And then I'm gonna take this little brush for my part. Y'all, do you see how deep this part is? Insane. Like, y'all, this part goes all the way back here. This hair was too easy to install. Too easy, too quick. And the curls are just still doing what it needs to do even though I am finger combing it. Love. It's not glued down at all. Like, it's still glueless. Look at that melt. It's just sitting. Oh my god. Sitting. Now this is the final look. Let me know what you think about this unit. Like, oh my gosh, the blending is everything. All the details for the wig will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think about this unit down in the comment section below. I love you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Threads at Chev. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, be good on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.